Hi everyone, I am Alia, your trainer for this module. Welcome back to our third video lesson. So, you've watched the first video, which is identify the essential sections of a CV. Then you watch the second video, understand a clear and visually appealing CV layout using proper formatting and language. In this last video lesson, you will actually apply the CV writing techniques to create your own internship-ready CV that reflects your strengths and also career goals. Now, by the end of this lesson, you will learn how to open and use Canva, how to search and select templates, how to choose the right photo, how to write personal details, how to present education background, how to include work experience, how to highlight achievements, and how to list relevant skills. So, are you ready to learn? Let's go! Let's refresh a little bit of your memories. From our previous videos, choose the right colors is really important as it plays a big role in making sure your CV is not an eyesore to look at. Make sure you pick simple and professional colors and make it 1 to 2, 3 colors only. Just like in the previous video, choosing readable fonts is important. You can choose fonts such as Arial, Times New Roman, Calibri, Helvetica, and also Garamond. Moving on, your personal details should appear at the top of the CV and make it short and clear. Make sure your full name, your phone number, your professional address, and also your location. Well, enough with me babbling about that. Let's actually jump into the fun part where I will actually show you guys step by step of creating a CV. Firstly, open your laptop, iPad, or any gadgets you prefer. We will be using Canva, an online graphic design platform. If you are on your laptop, you can just open the Canva through the Google, or you can download the app. Open Google and type in Canva. Click on the first site you see. Now, we're going to be using templates to make our CV for easier work. Click on the search box and type in Curriculum Vitae or CV. Canva will show you many templates of choices. Pick template of your choice. Make sure you pick the ones that have features like we have taught you in previous videos. For this video, I chose this CV template. Click the slide with only the CV and click Customize this template. Zoom in for a better view. Let's start customizing the template. First and foremost, choose a formal picture that shows your face clear. Click Delete Image from the template. Go to Uploads and upload your formal picture. Drag your picture inside the frame and it will automatically fit in. In this CV, I will be using Arial. Here, type in your full name, not your nickname. Click the font and type in your font of choice. Choose the font and click Change All so that all the fonts in the CV change to your preferred font. Add in the position that you apply for as an example, marketing intern. Let's go to the Your Personal Details section. In here, type in your former professional email address, your active phone number, your address, and if you have a LinkedIn account, you may paste it. Now, let's move to the About Me section. This section is where you should talk a little bit about yourself. You should include who you are, 2 until 3 of your key strengths or skills, your career goal or what you are seeking, and a positive personal traits of yours. After writing a little bit of yourself, we jump on to writing about your education. Since you are still in diploma, you have to insert your high school too. First line, insert yourself as an SPM graduate. Second line, insert your school name and bold it. And on the third line, insert the year you started and finished high school. Do the same for your diploma. Type in your course, your university name, and don't forget to bold it and type in the year. Now that we're done with the education section, let's move to work experience. Start off from your most recent job to your oldest job. Type in the month and year you started and the month and year you resigned. Unless you have had part-time jobs or worked at a different country, you don't have to type in the address of your job. Now, type in the company of your previous jobs and bold it. And underneath it, make a short summary in bullet points of what you did at the company. Continue until your oldest job or the recent jobs you've had. However, if this is the first time you're applying for a job, you can skip this part and jump to skills. On the skills section, in bullet points, type in your soft skills first and then hard skills. You can include skills such as problem solving, work well in teams, event managing, team leading, communication, Microsoft Words, and also videography. Alright, let's move to achievements. As you can see in this template, it does not include the achievements section. So we need to add it on our own. This reference section, you can change it to achievements as reference is not required in your CV. Change the wording to achievements and add in your achievements in bullet points form. Achievements is to show how well you did and what impact you made. This part should include results, awards, measurable outcomes, and recognition. On the left, put the year, and then on the right, put your achievements. Make sure to show the results, not just tasks. Let's move to the language section. If you only speak one language, you don't have to add this section. However, if you speak more than one language such as Malay, English, Mandarin, and so on, add it. And to finalize your CV, make sure you recheck every info, font size, and any grammatical errors. To save your work, click Share, click Download, choose PDF Standard, and click the purple button Download. It will automatically save to your files. And just like that, we have come to the conclusion, guys. So, all in all, we can conclude that you have to make sure you keep your CV clear, concise, and relevant to the internship you are applying for. The main highlights in your CV is your education, skills, experiences, and achievements, honestly. To ensure clear reading and easy to read, make sure to use a clean layout and professional formatting to make your CV easy to read, just like we showed in the video. And lastly, before anything, you always have to proofread your CV to avoid spelling or grammar mistakes before submitting it to your internship. Before we end our training lesson, we would like to give our learners some assignment. Learners are required to create your own professional curriculum vitae for your internship training later in semester 5. Use Canva to create your own curriculum vitae and choose font, colors, and layout of the CV based on what you have learned throughout the 3 videos. Later, scan this QR code to join our Google Classroom and send in your work in PDF form before 17th of January 2026, 11:59 p.m. This is the CV making rubric for your reference. Before we bid our goodbyes, please scan the QR code and fill in our training evaluation form after submitting all your tasks before 17th January 2026, 11:59 p.m. don't forget to send in the 2 screenshots of the Kahoot results too in the Google Classroom. Thank you so much in participating in our lesson. We hope to see you again. Best of luck, everyone.